LKL Toy Review. Hi, today we are playing garbage glass vase. Okay. Today we are playing garbage glass Hi guys, today we are playing garbage vacation. Yay! Class set vacations, bins and some carts. Is food, some and then rubbish bins.
Blue one,
green, gray, and red. This blue one is for recycle bins, and this one is orange with green beans, and this one is others, and this one is dangerous things. You need to put off the rubbish bin to the right rubbish bins. Mix. Now we're gonna get 15 cards and we who open the card and one by one, and then whoever picks the card and we need to put it all in the rubbish bin.
correct rubbish bin.
Yeah. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Tomatoes! It's a brush. Come.
It's plastic.
It's plastic.
Recycle.
Recycle bin others. Okay.
Medical gloves. Dangerous.
Dangerous. We're in here. Cheese.
Sponge.
What is sponge? SpongeBob.
Sponge goes to
Food.
others.
What is that?
Sponge, not cheese.
It's a SpongeBob. SpongeBob. What is this?
Your turn.
Good. Oh, beans.
Peanut.
Peanuts. We finished all the rubbish in the rubbish bin. Yay! Thank you for watching. You guys, I know to recycle.
Có cho em coi.
開街市啲搬遷嘅咩？